Here it went up there. So you can have this, or you can have this happening. So what's the other possibility in the second selection? The probability of what? An apple after an apple is equal to 24 on 54, because if it was an apple, then there'd be one apple less, 24 out of 54, and that's how much? Decimal 0.44 in decimal notation. Or what can happen? A mango after an apple, and what's the probability of that happening with the on 54? Because if it was an apple, then there would still be 30 mangoes left out of the 54. Conversion to decimal form, 0.56. The outcomes now, after the two selections, what possibility, according to this branch, what possible outcome this pathway is communicating? A mango, then a mango. You see, mango, then mango. And what's the probability of that happening? How did you get that? 0.55 times 0.54, how much you got? 0.297. 0.297. Okay. Or because mango happened first. A mango, then an apple. Okay. And what's the value? So how did you get that 0.253? So what numbers is the other added? Zero 0.55 multiplied by 0.46. Okay, so she gets 0.253. Okay. And or what else is possible? Apple, then an apple, and then 0.45. Here it is here, multiplied by 0.44. By the way, which formula is this in the list we are using? In the list, which formula we are using to calculate these intersections? Formula number 5, very important. Okay, this is the formula we are using to calculate the outcomes. Formula number 5 in our list. Okay, that's the list particular to this course. In another list, it will be a number differently, but in our list, we are using formula number 5 for the tree diagram. Okay, here it is, because of the if symbol. All right. So let's continue. And this gives us so much, 0.45 times 0.44. 0.198. And the final outcome, what is the possibility of what? An apple, then a mango. And what are the chances that can happen? 0. Exactly 0.45 times 0.56. That's what she said. And what do you got for your answer? 0.252. So the persons who contemplating how to draw the tree, you can actually watch the video to see how I did it, and you can do it that way. Or you can take your pencil and you can draw it and take a picture if it's a little time consuming. Okay. Now, or you can start from fresh and draw it yourself. Now remember, these are the values we are going to use to answer the follow-up questions. Person that did not convert to decimal, you can check out your fraction and change it to a decimal to see if it coincides with this. Okay, as you can see, she decided to convert the fractions to decimals. She felt more comfortable working with decimals. Okay, but if you choose to work with the fractions, your final outcome, or even here, convert your fraction to decimal just to see if you know what she's saying there matches with what you did. Now the follow-up questions, here they are.